I just received my KraftGeek mag stand and let's unbox it together. I'm excited to see what this mag stand is all about. So it comes in a nice little box like this, and here it is. Here's how everything is packaged. Inside of the box is the mag stand itself, a magnetic ring if you do not have a MagSafe phone, some instructions, and also a little charging cord for the remote. So let's unfold this and see if it's really as tall as it says it's going to be. I'm 5'4", so let's test this out. So you can open it this way. There's a little button at the bottom, so you press the button and this pops open once the button is depressed. So here is the stand that goes on the floor or whatever surface you're on, and you just pull it up. That's super easy. All right, so it's on the floor. I'm 5'4", and you can see it's kind of out of the frame, so it's definitely tall enough. So now let's test this and see how it works with a MagSafe phone and see how sturdy it is. So here is a phone. Let me adjust this down. So it's easy to push down and adjust down. And wow, everything sticks. Let's see. You can do an angle down. If you want to do overhead shot, you can angle it up in order to shoot straight on. You can do landscape like this, or you could do portrait style, very easy. I'm going to extend this all the way up to see how the phone holds when everything is completely extended to the maximum height. For the slimness and the compactness of this stand, I would say this stand is quite sturdy. Now, if you wanted to put this in grass or take it out in a windy condition on unstable surface, I would recommend something else, or I would recommend bolstering this a little bit. But for indoor shooting, this is amazing, super simple. When you are ready to disassemble everything, you just take the phone off and fold everything back down the way it was before. So I'm going to fold this top part in and just slide everything back together, telescope it back together. Wow. Closes, and there you go. Another really cool thing about this stand is that it comes with a remote, a Bluetooth remote. So to pop it off, you just press it and take it off. And then you can pair this with the Bluetooth on your phone and press this button in order to record or take a photo, so you can do that far away and you don't have to set a timer or run up to the phone really quickly. And here's where you charge it. That's what the cord was for that came in the package. And then when you're done with it, you just pop it back on. So if you are looking for a really lightweight, super portable phone stand that is MagSafe and goes really tall so you can get full body shots, I 100% recommend this stand. I cannot wait to use it for my everyday recording.